So removing these, that's a T50 hex. So just got to move the seat backwards first, undo the front two, then move the seat forward, undo the back two. Seat comes out, easy as that. And there is a cover, if you still got that cover, that slides over the bolt. So you just remove that one and that one. Try and give it a clean in here as well while I've got the seat out. But I find putting seat covers on, it's best to do it with the seat out of the car. I can get underneath here and everything instead of going over everything. Now the back two, you can see I have no covers on the back, but I'll remove those two, and that's all it is. Just remove those 4 bolts. That's basically any car, same deal. Remove those 4 bolts and out comes the seat. Just to throw this in, you know, normally when you remove a car seat, you got to find a few bucks. All I got was 10 cents and a SIM card remover. I'll see if I can find some padding first for the seat. Do a quick repair before putting the seat cover on. I've repacked it and restitched it. I don't have any iron-on patches like this part here anymore, but that's alright. It's like I've got new cushion behind there, and I've restitched it with 40-pound fishing line, so that should hold for a little while yet. So putting the seats back in. Now the trick is, the back ones, you want to leave them just a little bit loose on both sides, so that way you can slide the seat back still and line the front ones up. So like so. So now the seats move backwards. Now I can line these guys up. Get these bolts in. Tighten the front ones up, and then have to move the seat back a bit more. Okay, just had to screw down those back nuts a little bit more, but they're still not tight, they're just loose. They're just further down, so I can move the seat further back. Put this in. Tighten the 2 front ones up first, slide the seat forward, tighten up the 2 back ones, and job's done. And there you go, 1 seat done. Now all this type of stuff will relax when the car heats up and so forth, and I've sat in it a few times. But anyway, that was not on topic. It's just about changing the seat. Alright, till next time guys, cheers.